Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to appear offline in the Epic Games Launcher. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Epic Games Launcher. Now, many tutorials will tell you to go to your profile, then Settings, and enable offline mode browsing. However, this method will only allow you to play games while disconnected from the internet, but your friends will still see you as online on Epic Games. The only way to appear truly offline is by temporarily blocking your friends. To do this, go to your friends list and block the players you want to hide from. When they try to contact you, it will look like you're offline. Once you're done playing, you can unblock them. Unfortunately, this is the only solution for now. While it may not be the most convenient option, it's currently the only way to appear offline while using the Epic Games Launcher. So that's basically how you can appear offline in the Epic Games Launcher. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.